Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special for you, an unboxing and overview of New Balance 1906R. I'm extremely excited that we are going to break this video down into 5 different sections. First will be history, second will be design and comfort, third is the price point, fourth is close competitors, and fifth and the last point is my personal opinion. I know you guys are excited, so am I, so let's not waste time, let's dive right in. Alright, before I start the video, I'm just using my laptop as a reference. I have made a lot of points, so I need to look at it while explaining certain things for you, so please bear with me guys. Alright, let's begin. Section number 1 is history. So let's just first talk about the history of New Balance 1906Rs. Let me just put this box on the side so that I am able to show you this shoe. So the 1906Rs, they have been a major player in the so New Balance 1906R is a fantastic dad shoe, but a bit of history. They were founded in 1906 in Boston, Massachusetts, which is the US. So the company started by making arch supports and orthopedic products to help shoes fit better, and over time New Balance evolved into a global brand that is known for its high quality sneakers at the moment, that is a mix of comfort, performance and style. So the 1906Rs, interestingly, it's a nod to the legacy inspired classic running shoes, especially up to 2000, that is packed with legacy and modern tech. So the model, it's a dedication and a combination of innovation and beautiful design, which really stands out in the New Balance sneaker lineup. So New Balance, originally and historically, they have always been about quality and craftsmanship. Their commitment to producing durable and comfortable footwear has earned them, I think, a global following. So much so that in the past couple of years, they are slowly overtaking a lot of other brands, a lot of sneaker brands like Adidas and all, in terms of sales. The 1906R especially continues this tradition with its thoughtful design and advanced features, which is packed in one running shoe. Yeah, it is actually a running shoe, guys, but it's also a lifestyle shoe. So whether you're a long-time fan of New Balance or you've never tried New Balance before, I would suggest that you should at least check this brand out once in your life. Alright, that was for the history. Now let's talk about the section 2, which is the design and comfort of the shoe. Alright, so moving on to the design, the New Balance 1906R is a rare beauty. It features a very sleek and a modern look, which has a very top-notch material. So the upper part of the shoe, it is made with mesh material, which is breathable, and it also has a lot of sturdy synthetic leather going on around the shoe as well. This not only makes the shoe look great, but it also keeps your foot stay cool and supported. The midsole, actually, I don't know, there's nothing written, but it has an energy technology, which I find very similar to the Absorb midsole, which you have in 530, New Balance 530. In fact, I have 530s right now with me, which has been my daily trainer for a while now, and this is a fantastic, very comfortable, in fact one of the most comfortable shoe that I have ever worn. So yeah, talking about the 1906Rs, the TPU heel is it's rubbery, it's very soft, so it's perfect for both casual wear and for workouts and for long walks as well. So the rubber outsole gives a lot of traction, so you can wear this shoe in all surfaces, even in rainy seasons. I don't think it is going to cause you any trouble. In terms of attention to detail, the 1906R does stand out. So the laces are designed to stay tight and insoles, and you see there's something called as an N-lock technology. So I don't think this is a gimmick, guys, because this N-lock keeps your foot quite snuggy and quite supportive. If you are a wide shoe wearer, I don't think you will have a problem in this shoe. Even if your feet is narrow, I don't think you will have a problem, because this N-lock technology that you can see right here, it is not a gimmick, guys. You can just pull the strap and you can make the shoe tight like this. See, this is how you're supposed to do it, and to make it more breathable, you just pull this string back. That's it. So I would suggest, in terms of design, I don't think you can go wrong with New Balance. Yeah, there's some plastic bit going on at the back. It does feel plasticky, but I don't think it feels cheap by any sense. I really like the silver aesthetic, the design that is going on all around the shoe. It gives a very 2000 vibe, as well as you mean business when you walk on the streets on this shoe. When I was walking with a pair of other 1906 that I had previously, I think a couple of people complimented me on the streets. So definitely a standout, guys. Not as standard as 530s. Sorry, I love my 530s. I know it's a more basic looking shoe than the 1906Rs, but I would favor 530 any days. But yeah, if you're into more silver aesthetics and more design around the shoe, then this shoe is definitely for you. Alright, point number 3. Third point, which is the price point. Now let's talk about the price, because these shoes, they ain't cheap. They're not as cheap as the 530, of course. So I think in the US, you get this between $120 and $150 depending on the retailer, depending on the sale, etc. In Canada, you get this for around $200 without sale, and in US you get this around $150 without sale, which I think is slightly on the higher side. But when you talk about the comfortability of the shoe, it's on par with 530s. In fact, I should say that the 530s are on par with 1906Rs, but these are what, $50-$70 more expensive than the 530s. Yeah, if you really don't want to invest $150 or 200 Canadian dollars in buying these shoes, you can perhaps wait for a bit, wait for a sale. But these shoes are part of the category of New Balances where they are not usually on sale. So I have been trying to get these shoes for around 6 months on a sale. New Balance had come up with a couple of sales in Canada, but I was not able to get this on a sale price. So New Balance had no sale on these shoes. It's also worth mentioning, while price could be a concern for you, that New Balance usually is known for its high quality materials to justify the cost. So investing in a good pair of shoes, even if it's $20 or $30 expensive, is something that I advocate for, because I feel that if you buy cheap, you buy twice. So yeah, $150 price point, $200 Canadian dollars price point, expensive? Yes. Worth it? For sure. Yes. Alright guys, point number 4, close competitors. So when it comes to close competitors of the 1906Rs, these are very 2000s inspired running sneakers. So I would suggest they would pair it up with Nike Vomero 5s or the Asics Gel Piano 14, which are again around the same cost. Nike Vomero 5 would be around $10 or $15 more expensive. However, the Asics Gel Piano and these shoes are at the same price range. I personally reviewed the Asics Gel Piano 14 on my channel. If you would go and check the link out, I'll have the link below as well. They were in coffee and a black colorway, and I have tested those shoes for around a month, and I find the New Balance 1906Rs to be more comfortable than the Asics Gel Piano. Although they have a very similar midsole, Asics has a better gel technology going on, but for some reason the durability and the cushioning of 1906Rs feels better. Now in terms of Adidas, I don't know which shoe to compare it with. Maybe the Ultra Boost, but Ultra Boost is a very running shoe. It's not a 2000s dad inspired shoe. But for sure, between Nike Vomero 5, New Balance 1906Rs and Asics Gel Piano 14, I would give the score to New Balance 1906Rs. Vomero 5 looks great. They are extremely comfortable on the feet, but for someone who has a very wide feet, for some reason I think they don't fit well for me, and I was not able to find a wide foot shoe for myself. Vomero, I don't think, doesn't make a wide foot shoe, especially not in Canada. They don't make, maybe they would make this worldwide and in some other countries, but not in Canada. So yeah, between that shoe category, I would definitely want to favor the New Balance 1906Rs over Vomero 5s and Gel Piano 14. Alright guys, point number 5, my opinion, my recommendation. Alright guys, point number 5, my opinion, my recommendation. Would I pick this shoe over any other shoe? Let's see. Blue and black colorway. Yes, love this. Love the energy midsole. Love the outsole as well. Great traction. Midsole is really soft. The upper has breathable mesh material, synthetic leathers all around. New Balance N-Lock technology. Brilliant design. It has a very 2000s look. It is a running shoe. It's a lifestyle sneaker. You can wear this, in fact, everywhere you go. You can wear this on a date. You can wear this at a party. If you want to go for a brisk walk, wear it everywhere. I think it's a very versatile shoe, and it has been made really well. It's quite durable, but does it justify the $150 or the 200 Canadian dollar price point? I would say yes, but again, it depends on your personal preference. If you think that $200 is a stretch and you would want to invest something less, then I have a backup shoe for you, which I showed you a while back, which is the New Balance 530s. I would personally pick this shoe up over 1906Rs any day. I know they are not exactly comparable because they have a very different midsole. This has an absorbed midsole, whereas this has an energy midsole. But guys, I wore these both shoes together and I didn't find any difference in comfort at all. So I don't think this justifies the extra $60-$70 price point over 530s. But yeah, if you are into such shoes, especially the silver silhouettes all around the shoe and the design, I don't think you can go wrong with these shoes. But again, if you are considering buying these shoes, you can of course check sale if your nearest Foot Locker, Sports Check, New Balance website has any sale going on. Definitely grab these sneakers, guys. You cannot go wrong with these sneakers. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give this a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below if you want any improvements, if you want to see any other video, if you want to see a comparison between these two shoes or between this and Asics Gelcano 14 or with Nike Vomero 5. Any other video you want to see, please let me know in the comment down below. I'm going to come up with a lot of such sneakers review and unboxings. So I would really appreciate the support, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.